Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Science As. In this channel we discuss about the interesting and main topics of math and science. Till now we have discussed about different type of geometrical shapes and to find the perimeter of that shapes and area and volume also. Today we will discuss about how to find the volume of pyramids. So friends, watch the video till the end so that the concept of finding the volume of prism will be clear. This is the shape of the prism. This is triangular based prism. Triangular based prism means the base is triangular. Okay, base is triangle. We have already discussed about the surface area and properties of pyramid in our earlier videos. Please watch it so that the concept will be clear. Here I have drawn one pyramid. This is triangle based pyramid, and this h, small h, is the height of this triangle, which is like this. Suppose this is the base, then this is height of the triangle. Okay, this I have taken as small h, and this is the base of that triangle, base of that triangle. Okay, so we know that how to find the area of the triangle, that is half into base into height, and this capital H is the height of the pyramid. Suppose this I have drawn one square based pyramid, so the height is from the bottom. Okay, suppose this is the base. So from that it is perpendicular. This line, this height is perpendicular to the cone. This is this corner. Okay. In same case here also. From here it will be somewhere here. That will be middle of the base. It will be perpendicular to this base. So this is the height I have taken. Okay. If you want to find the volume of the pyramid of triangular base, then the formula will be 1/6 into base. This line is base of the triangle into h. This h is the height of the triangle, and this into h of this height is the height of the pyramid. Okay, we have seen that this is the half of the volume of the prism. Prism also we have discussed in the previous video how to find the volume of the prism. So this is the volume of the pyramid is half of the volume of the prism. In that case also it was 1/3 into base into height into length. So this height is the height of the pyramid. Let's come to the second one, that is square based pyramid. This I have drawn square based pyramid. Suppose base is square, that is this side is L, then this side will also be L. Okay, in this case if you want to find the volume of pyramid, then the formula will be V into 1/3. V will be 1/3 into L square. L square means this L into this L, and H. This H is the height of the pyramid. Got it? If this base is rectangular in shape, suppose this is L and this is B, then the formula will be 1/3 into L, this L, and base, the breadth, this is the breadth, and height of the pyramid. So friends, let's revise once again. To find the volume of 3D shape, that is pyramid, this is I have drawn the pyramid triangular base. The formula will be 1/6 into B, that is the base of the triangle, into H, height of the triangle, and into H, capital H, that is height of the pyramid. This will be the formula for volume of triangle based pyramid. Okay, in case of square based pyramid, the formula will be 1 by 3 into L square. This is L, the length, and this will also be L for the square, into H. H is the height of the pyramid. Okay, for rectangle based pyramid, the formula will be 1 by 3 into L, this L, into breadth, this breadth, into height of the pyramid. So friend, I think the concept of finding the volume of pyramid is clear, whether it is triangle base, square base or rectangle base. So friend, you have seen that how easy it is to find the volume of pyramid. So friend, if you have liked the video, like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching the video.